Every year, I receive a common line from the students after the admission season is I should have done more research before joining this college. It's not from one student. I have seen thousands of students. They take quick decisions without any research or proper guidance. So you can avoid those mistakes and make a confident decision. So in this video, I'll be discussing about what are the common mistakes the students used to do while choosing the admissions. First is taking the decision in panic. So here the students, once they got the result, they become panic, and because of the pressure of parents, friends, and they just take the decision. They don't do any research about any college. They take the admission and regret later on. So remember, college admission is a lifetime decision. So it is not an emergency decision. So don't take any decision in panic, just choose wisely. The second mistake the student used to do is choosing a college just by brand. So brand matters. The main research won't happen. For example, we need to check the quality of the faculties over there. Internship and industry exposure is given to the students. The students run behind the highest package. See, highest package always goes for 1 or 2 students. So you need to check out the average package. So you just go blindly because of the brand value. You just do your due diligence and check it out. Then the third common mistake I come across is just following your friends. Your self-assessment will be totally different compared to your friends. Kindly avoid this because I come across so many students like that. It has to be your self-assessment and you need to choose your college wisely. Then the fourth mistake the student used to do is not considering the financial budget properly. They just consider the tuition fees. They don't even add the transportation or hostel accommodation, and there will be project. So understanding the full finance help you to avoid the stress later. Another major issue is trusting the social media and reels. All the reels which is in online is not genuine, and every college is not apt for all the students. So do your research and verify the source, then you decide. The most dangerous mistake I come across with the students is they don't know the future scope of the courses. In the second year, third year, they come across and see that they are not really fit in. So while choosing any college, you need to first analyze is not just filling the application. That you analyze so you won't regret it later. So what is the future of it? So not because of the peer pressure or anything you join and later on you'll be regretting it. So admission is not about getting somewhere. It is about getting to the right place. Still you are confused? Just drop in a message in a comment section. We provide a free one-to-one counseling and various parameters will be checked and we will be suggested.